Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm gonna do DIY. Yay! You know, my bathroom is pretty much Barbie-ish, but today I'm making it even more Barbie-ish. Remember, I already did my kitchen countertop, so today I want to do same method to my bathroom countertop as well. I'm gonna paint first, put some Barbie sketches from calendar, and I want to cover with resin. Let's start. I'm gonna make my bathroom even more Barbie-ish today. I'm gonna use small size Barbie calendar from last year. I want to use these pretty Barbie sketches. Actually, I already cut out these. Oh my god, now it's done. There are 6 different Barbie sketches on 2 different shades of pink. Since I coated with resin, it's super shiny and hard. I love my bathroom even more. Oh my god, I cannot handle it. It's too cute. It's totally one-of-a-kind bathroom. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.